at least, I think it'll be like around 3 years right now, and we were only launched in March.
Okay.
So, you know, the entire preparation process for like getting the singing and dancing and everything to come together, and the four of us, like four individuals with different strengths to come together, I think it took that much time for us to really be able to say that, okay, now we are one unified act. So yeah, I think it's really important.
Yeah.
Also, not a lot of people are doing it here, especially in India. And there's something about using your entire body in like an art form. Like when you sing, you focus on the voice and you know what your words and how you connect to the person with just your voice and what you're saying. But to be able to also emote the expression with your movements, with your dance, it's a whole other elevated feeling. It's being able to bring one dance form and another into like something altogether, I feel like is the epitome of a show that you can put on. And I think our goal as a group is to just put on the best kind of act we can. So that means singing, that means dancing, that means acting, that means emotion, that means anything basically. What keeping like trying to top the level every time.
Okay.
And it's not just live performance that requires this, it's also the music videos. Like choreography is something that starts way before, you know, like first is obviously the songwriting, and then choreography comes pretty soon after that, because, you know, when it comes to like a hook step, that's such an important part of, you know, making a song trend these days. So yeah.
I mean, this is incredible, because one of the things that, you know, we normally tell in a performance school is to ask the singer to open their eyes and sing, right? To connect to the audience. So I want to know more about the hard work that you need to do to keep it together, right? Because it is not easy to sing and dance a choreographed act like that back to back. So one is, of course, the training behind it, and then how do you prep for it so that you have to hit every note, you're harmonizing, you have your steps, and you have to catch your breath and go to the next song, right? And today you did half an hour. What is your normal set that you do actually for a large show?
It's about
Yeah.
This is what it is.
Once we release more of our songs, then it'll extend.
So how do you work for it? What kind of work goes behind to keep you in shape vocally and to do this on stage?
Like you said, you definitely need a lot of breath. It starts off like you really have to have really good breath support, because if you don't have the vocal stamina, like you could die on stage. So honestly for me, it's like I always start off with breathing exercises. I have to like open them up, like my diaphragm, just start, and that's something I learned even in music school. Just open up the diaphragm, otherwise you're not going to have enough stamina to sing on stage, and it's just going to be all closed up. So start off with doing my breathing exercises, do some riyaz. I'll do a lot of like sa's, just sing single notes and do like sa re ga ma pa sa re ga sa, and then just keep doing scales, start off with that, and then I'll move on to like western vocal warm-ups as well, do a mix of that. And not only that, that's the singing part of it. Dance is a whole other thing that you need to train for to be really fit.
Even fitness plays a big role. So when we're going to rehearsals, when you're trying to like dance to each song, we're like, okay, this is the choreography. We need a lot of core strength also. So we do these planks, and we actually work out for an hour to warm every muscle, and only then you can pull off that full show, like maybe 30 minutes straight. You have that energy when because your muscles are warm, and fitness plays a big role in this.
Sure.
Also just training every single day. Like I see them more than I see anyone else in my life.
6 days a week.
6 days a week, at least like 8 to 10 to 12 hours sometimes. And we're doing all of it. We're singing, we're dancing,